put it on like a backpack. You're going to hang hollow body, pull the shoulders down, straight leg, straddle back. Straddle back, lift as you come up. Back to hollow body. Lift. Straight legs, really extending through those feet. Thinking about pushing through those knees as you lift, really working that transverse abdominal, that deep part of the core. As you come up, hollow body, lift. All right, start with 3 rounds. Do 10 to 12, and then you're going to go to failure on your last round. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like and comment, and we will see you in the next tutorial. We'll see you then.